What's up? This is your boy Candybarzz, aka Anon D, with my 7-year-old son Bryson, aka
Headbuster 444.
that stands for 444 head bust. In case you must have known, or you must know, or you were wondering and you had to know, or something like that stuff. And today, we're gonna show you how the fire plants roll. The ones that hang out in our gold garden on the west side of the ghetto, of the hood, of the trap, of the mother fartin' raps. You know how we be on the streets. The fire squizzies, the fire veggies. Let my son Bryson here show you how a couple of them roll. Or maybe one at a time for each video. What do you say, son?
One at a time for each video.
I mean, other than that, I'm sounding pretty silly here.
Today, we are gonna show, we are gonna show the fire rose. I'm going in order.
Oh, what's her name?
The flame rose.
Sounds kind of corny.
I mean the flaming rose.
And that makes her sound flaming.
Because she is flaming.
That's her name. How about her name is the Flamer? The Flamer.
Yeah, the flamer.
That's perfect. Okay. So we have the Flamer here showing off her powers. What are you gonna go do, Flamer?
I'm gonna burn the snowman. He's right around here.
Here.
Burn!
Flamer's gonna burn the snowman to show how this winter's been so far. But first, look how those zombies made the snowman look just like that.
It's impossible. He's invincible.
Invincible
Oh,
snowman.
God.
We'll go show off her powers in another way.
Die!
And so you guys know this is a test video. We're recording our videos.
Turn into a goat! Get hypnotized!
We are recording our videos on Mixer or whatever, but we're putting them on the tube where you can search Candybarzz and
Watch
Son,
that big
2
tree.
C's and 2 Z's.
It's this in a B-ring!
So it's a magical flamer. She's a magic flamer?
Yeah, she could... Anybody can do this.
So they don't have to be a flamer to do it.
No.
So anyone could be a magician? So Chris Angel isn't a flamer?
I'm gonna do a flower lighthouse.
Thanks for the answer, Mr. Know-It-All.
Power up! Pow!
How about you go fight somebody really strong? So we can end our test episode on a cool note.
What?
I said, how about you go fight someone really strong so we can end our test episode on a cool note?
This guy is strong.
A boss, bro. Not a little zombie carrying a screen door.
Okay.
Who wants to watch you just walk around and
Like
take arms off a snowman?
Like 1,000 bosses because I
It's
will.
already been so many minutes. This is a test episode. To see if we can make
Do
it
you
on
want me
here
to
and put
fight
it
a
on the
million
tube.
bosses? Because I will fight a
Fight
million
to the
bosses.
death by yourself. Go ahead in that pit. Go in the fight pit now. Go in the fight pit for our test. To see if the video works on YouTube. Go in the fight pit and raise the flag, man. Come on, Mr. Tough Guy. Mr. Flamer. Raise the flag. With no plants to plant and help you and stuff. Let's see how you do now. Look at him. Flag of unimaginable power. We have to steal it. I have a big brain. Yeah.
Die!
How do you like that, Flamer?
Ah! Die! Die!
You're doing pretty good.
I'm a goat!
Yeah, that's right. He's a ghost.
And guess what, zombies? You're a ghost.
fight like a real champion. Fighting like a true champion. 'Cause he's my son, and he makes me proud, man. Uh-oh.
Oh, a supply drop. Where is it?
You better get to it, Mr. Flamer. Or should I say, Mrs. Flamer Rose Lady.
Take you over the flag. Die! All of you, just die! You know I could get teammates in the middle of the round.
But are you ready to battle like a real warrior?
Yeah.
By yourself? Get him! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Turn him into a gun. Now, the guy with the big head, I don't know what he said. I think he wants you dead. He don't really care. Alright. Now, pretty much, this was a test video to see if Mixer will work. Take our video so we can put it on the tube and share it with you so I can make my son popular like Justin Bieber. So this is ccandybarzz out, and my son that's currently picking his nose.
Goodbye!
Goodbye, folks.